So today we're gonna be playing this game called Pixel Guns, and I don't even know why is there only these modes. This is team fight, and I'm going to be playing in the science lab. So if I die, please remember me as a good person. Okay, let's get it. Why does this take so long to load? I hate it when it loads and loads and loads. You see, look how much time it takes to find one more player. Why? Why? Shouldn't you already have them ready? Come on. Time to start. Ooh, look at that. Sexy. I'm sexy, and they all know it. Kind of a default. Ooh, ooh. Wait, I'm on the blue team? I think I'm on the blue team, you know? I think I might be on the blue team. Oh, yeah. Just gotta find... Was I just in here? Or is there like more than one bathroom? Do I die? I just died. I just died. What am I doing here? Ooh, I know what to do here. Jump over that. Boom! Oh yeah, I'm too good. I'm too good for these. Go in here, right? We go. Then I turn around. I've lagged. I've lagged. Where the heck do I go? I go in this portal? Oh, I jump. Boom. And then, boom. I'm just gonna go over. Oh, I see someone. Boom, boom. Take it, take it, take it. I'm lagging. I've lagged. I've lagged. Why? Every time I play this game, I kill someone, then someone kills me. Look at that guy. He killed me. He's dead now. Holy, holy, holy bubble nuggets. Come on, come on. I'm trying to do the... Come on, okay. 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 Nah, what? Okay, come on. Let's keep jumping. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Boom. Too good. We're losing, but we're winning. We have the kills because of me. Watch me. Boom. 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 And boom. Oh. Oh. Did you see that? I just did that without even trying. Okay. I'm kind of lost. Oh. No way. No way. I got negative 60 points for self-destruct. Boom. Pet knockout. Was that guy? Was that guy just in here with me? Got this dude. What? I didn't get that kill? Oh yeah. I see some people over here. Oh yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Yes. Come on, load, load, load. No. No, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the frick is this? This is so... You know what? No, I'm not. I'm good. I'm the best one here. My team sucks. I'm battling again. We're doing that one more time. We're doing that one more time. Because there's no way. There's no freaking way I'm gonna go out like that. There's just no way. But if this thing would freaking load, then I would be able to be better at this game. Oh my god. Please, I beg to hurry up. It takes so long. Do you think it's worth it? Leave a comment down there. Come on. I keep going the wrong way. I keep going the wrong way. Where am I supposed to be going? I'm all alone. Ooh. Ooh, kill him. Kill him. What? What? There we go. Nope. I'll try that one more time. Let's go. Now I know. What is the point of that? What is the point of those things over there? Makes no sense. If no one's gonna be in there, why have that? Boom, grenade. Grenade. No, no! I'm lagging. I just died. What? What? What even is that? This game is so laggy. Oh! Oh my god! I shouldn't lose points for that. That made me lose. That made me die. Yet we're winning. Because of me, obviously. Boom, 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 boom. Headshot, headshots. Why doesn't it give me more than 15 points? I deserve more than 15 points. Think I make it over there? You think? You think so? Come on, come on. Nah, nah, nah. Come on! Why? I'm not ever gonna win at this rate. You know, I'm still good, you know. Please subscribe and like. Yeah. Oh. Now you have to subscribe. If that happens, okay, the next time I kill is a subscriber, alright? If I could get a kill before this match. No, I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Watch. 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 Everyone watching this, subscribe, because watch. Watch this. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. Where is this